All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So this is the ramp that I've been using to drive on, since this is obviously a giant ramp going up to the second to third floor. So have to use this to drive on, otherwise you have a potential to fall over on the lift, which would be really bad. So this levels out the lift so it'll go up, because if it's not exactly level, it won't go up more than a certain height. It'll be uneven and it won't work. So have to drive on this flat ramp to get to these lights. So I got all the ramp lights done, which basically took all day. Have to drag this thing around. Some of these I had to modify, like over here, over this pipe. That one actually kind of worked, but this one I had to cut new all threads for, because it was dead center of the pipe, so I had to cut new longer all threads, and then drop it below the pipe. So I tried to keep all three of these pretty close to the same, just right below the pipe, as tight as possible. Just so this one was like 2 inches lower, so I went back and cut it just so it looked better, to be more uniform. So yesterday, I don't remember how many I got, like 2 to 4 of them done, and I finished the rest of them today, which was like 6 or 7. So now that I got all these ones on the ramp done, we'll be able to go over to the other side over here. And these you can get off, these ones you can get off of a ladder, like these ones over there, or just any of these. You can get these off a ladder, but also still have the lift, so we'll be able to drive that around without a problem on a flat surface. So that'll be nice. And there's a trillion of these little sharp pokey things for the insulation. I got stabbed with them. I got stabbed with one of them in my hand right there, so that was fun. So yeah, if you're not wearing a hard hat, that could probably kill you if that goes right through your skull, which would probably be unlikely, but don't want to do that. So gotta especially wear your hard hat and safety glasses, because if you're looking up and lifting up the lift at the same time, that could go right through your eyeball and you'd be blind forever, or you lose an eyeball. So anyways, don't want to do that. So anyways, got like 28 of these lights left. On the outside, there is the lights like these with the sensor on it. Actually, whatever, I'll just walk over there. So there's 2 different kinds of lights. One is just a regular. This one is a regular, just 2 plastic ends. And then this other variant over here is the one with the photo sensor. So if it's too bright out, it'll dim the light automatically with a little photo eye right here. So there's the photo eye ones along the outside of the building. So there's a few of those still left to do on the other side. Down at the very end down there on the outside wall, and then the outside wall, just basically anything by the outside windows or the opening where the light will be coming in is where they will be putting in the ones with the dimmers or the photo eye sensor. And then all the other ones are just the regular ones, just hooked up to power. So anyways, that should do it, guys. So everyone's gonna come down here to help me tomorrow, Nick and my other coworker, apprentice. So there'll be 3 of us. So I'm assuming tomorrow we're gonna try to bang this out and finish it. But I'm assuming I'll just be building these all day tomorrow, and they'll be hanging them. That would be the ideal situation, but it really doesn't matter to me, because they're pretty easy and chill. But the ones on the ramp was just kind of annoying, just because I had to drag that ramp around and be safe, and had to keep running and grabbing parts, because I had to keep messing with stuff. But anyways, that should do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like on the video. It'll help out the channel, and I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button to see more videos. I'd love to see you guys back here in the next one tomorrow for my last day. Don't forget to check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.